This account made $2,633 in passive affiliate commissions in last 30 days. I understand you're not going to buy Lamborghini with this kind of money, but I also understand it is amazing for a lot of people, especially if you are already at a 9 to 5 or you have an existing business and you're looking for just a side hustle to earn some side income. This is amazing while it is almost passive. The most important thing I want to share is that the guarantee part, that it works every single time. Plus, to double your profitability and to give you double opportunities, I will share a couple of clips from this video that I watched today. It's a 44 minutes long podcast and a lot of it will not be relevant to you. So I will take only a few clips so you can combine both the worlds. You can choose what you love and take action, get results, or you can combine or you can use both of them and earn double income. Choice is yours. Let's begin. Before we begin, I want to invite you to watch this video. Link will be in the description or somewhere here or below this video if you're watching from my website. In this video, I shared step by step how beginners like this joined our program, learned high-ticket affiliate marketing from our program, how we did 99% of the work for them, and how they were able to earn $250, $300, $500, $650, $1,250 in passive affiliate commissions while working at a 9 to 5 or running an existing business. And you will be able to know what they are doing and how they're earning this type of money just by watching this video. And it's a complete video. So please watch the video and you can thank me later.
So you create a product of whatever type. It could be digital, could be physical. Great product. Now I want you to look at something. Go down on our sheet. There is on page 4, there's an infographic and it's from a brand called Goli. You know what Goli is? It's apple cider vinegar gummies. So they just sell gummies like gummy vitamins, but specifically ACV, apple cider vinegar.
Just a quick note, he started with you can create a digital or physical product, but hey, don't worry, you do not need to create any product. Just keep watching for the information and then I will explain.
Which was kind of like a health, wellness trend and craze. Now Goli.
Dude, first of all, you could put anything in a gummy, I guess. Like in a.
Now, here is the
method that I'm talking about. So look at this infographic. This is a rewards program for TikTok creators. So if you're a TikTok creator, not only do you get a little kickback on what you sell, but if every month you hit a certain sales target, you can get something. So
Wait, what you are looking at is the third income that you can earn from TikTok. The first type of income is pretty well known, TikTok rewards. It's called TikTok Creator Rewards Program, and TikTok pays $1,000 for 1 million views, which is pretty common. Look at my account. I have tons of videos that got multiple millions of views. Look at this video, 4.9 million views and 5.5 million views. So TikTok Creators Reward Program is the #1 way of making money from TikTok. But unfortunately, this doesn't work for me because I live in the UAE, and probably it may not work for you if you don't live in the eligible countries. So let's go look at the number 3.
1,500 GMV, you can get an iPad. All right, cool. 4,000 GMV, meaning you sell $4,000 worth of product. You get an iPhone. All right, let's keep going up. 15,000 in GMV, you get an all-inclusive trip to Aruba. 50,000, you get a Rolex. And more. You get the Aruba trip, the iPad, and you get the Rolex, right? They're stacking. Now let's go to the high tiers. There are people that have done $1 million. They get a condo in Miami. If you do $1 million, I think this is in a month of your GMV target. And so they're going to creators who say, hey, do you want this condo in Miami? It could be yours.
What is this, Mosh? And what is GMV? Is that what you're asking? These were just extra rewards for hitting target sales for the product that you are promoting as affiliate. So this number 2 is the way anyone can make money from anywhere. And if you can hit target sales, then different companies offer this kind of rewards. Are you asking, Mosh, did you not guarantee results? If yes, I'm not convinced with this 3%, 1%, 6% conversion because most of the people are not buying. How do you guarantee results? Stick with me. I will show you the guarantee. It works 100% of the time. Now at this point, you have 2 questions. Some of you are asking what is affiliate marketing because you don't know what it is. It's okay, I got your back. I have covered this clearly in this video, so you can watch it from the link in the description. Or if you look at this screenshot, then look, these are the products that I promoted as an affiliate. And I placed my special magical custom personal affiliate link somewhere. And I asked people that if you want to get certain benefits, then I have a product, and I placed the product link somewhere. It can be in the description of my videos, it can be in the bio, it can be on my website. I don't want to go deep into details because that will make it way confusing. Since in our program, we do all the technical work, so even our students don't need to know where is the affiliate link, how they are placed, etc. However, they're well explained inside the program, inside the course, but it's not necessary to know the details. So when people click my affiliate links, some of them find those products useful or valuable. And when they buy, I earn affiliate commissions as an affiliate. Now, did you notice what I actually do as an affiliate? The only thing I do is to send people, visitors, potential customers, which is also called traffic, to my affiliate links. And only a tiny percentage of those people buy and we make money. Now I can see the doubt and frustration in your eyes. You're asking, Mosh, what if people don't click on my links? And what if after clicking they don't buy from me? Will I still make money? First of all, it's obvious. To make a sale in order to earn a commission, money is not only for clicks. And yes, I have to give you the bad news. Everybody will not buy. In fact, most people will not buy. For example, look at this. In this promotion, only 1% people purchased after clicking the link. So 99% people did not buy. For this product, only 6%, so 94% did not buy. For this product, only 3% purchased, so 97% did not buy. And for this product, 4% conversion, so 96% did not buy. So on the average, with 97% failure, we made $2,633. It's amazing. All I did was giving away free stuff. I'll tell you more about how to give away free stuff, but before that, let me answer the second question. It looks like you need to make a lot of sales in order to hit those target sales and earn these rewards. It is true. And you also need to understand only a few percentage of the people will actually buy from you. So yes, you need to generate a lot of clicks to make a lot of sales, like the sales of $500,000. That's okay, because who cares? You are not here to make millions of dollars overnight. Am I right? The people who made money like this have been doing this for months, if not years. I started this account just like everyone else with 0 followers. Nobody knew me. All I did was posting short form content every single day. And there is a very specific way to create videos that algorithms love and spread the word and attract more and more viewers for free. We covered the step-by-step details in this video, so go watch it. Don't miss it. If you never sold anything online, then you might have some kind of doubt or question that why would customers buy from you, or why would they even buy? And here is an interesting discussion about Botox and how customers react to the beauty-related products and why they buy.
Dude, I looked up if this works on ChatGPT. The answer is no.
Who knows, right? Health and wellness is like one of these things, right? Like,
Someone
do those little like jade face rollers work? You know, just putting cucumber slices on your eyes and doing a like. Ari came on here the other day. I was like, Ari, you're glowing. She's like, I did a chemical peel, and I was like, I don't know what that is. Tell me more. There's a whole world of beauty treatments that like have some on the spectrum of effectiveness and cost. They land somewhere. All I'm saying is that I think this could work. I don't know if red light therapy is going to change your skin and your hair, but it's selling, and that's kind of my point right now. I'm not a doctor. I can't make health claims.
Now, this is a great story, and I think everyone can relate to this.
Friend who is a doctor, and anyway, she does Botox for people, and she was at my house, and she had her kit with her, and she was like, I need to like test this out, and we were like,
did you get Botox curious?
I was like looking at her, I was like, whip that sucker out, baby, let's do this.
You see, people are curious, and a lot of people do stuff and buy stuff just out of curiosity, but that's not all.
And so she gave me a little injection like 6 weeks ago.
And let's see what happens next.
Where?
In my forehead. Like I was like, I don't even know if I want to do this, but like, I'm a guinea pig. You got a needle, you got drugs, like I'm going to try it.
I would love to hear this excuse.
Excuses, yeah.
you're about to make right now. You're like, I like science, and I just thought, I wanted to be a supportive friend of hers, and I wanted to support small businesses. What are your other reasons that you did Botox? Tell me. Let's make a list of Sam's reasons you did Botox. Besides, I wanted to look better. Go ahead.
Looking dope naked. I mean, there's that's the only reason why anyone does anything, right? But I got so many compliments afterwards.
Did you really?
Yes, I got so many compliments, and it was free.
On your forehead.
Someone says, "You look really young." People kept saying I looked young, and I was like, it made me self-conscious on how I used to look like. And
whatever it is, whether it works or not, after that, he will start believing in it. And guess what? Maybe it works, maybe not, but people buy. And people buy emotionally. Now, your next question would be, okay, I'm not a beauty expert. I'm not related to that niche or industry. It doesn't matter. Go to TikTok and click explore on the top left corner, and you'll see all these tons of niches. You can choose any of the niches and get involved. For example, your niche may be fitness and health, or maybe food. You will be amazed to see how many videos are going viral, getting millions of views without a single face on the screen. Now, how do I give away free stuff that build trust, rapport, relationship, connections with my audience, and they eventually buy from me? I have an AI agent that writes book for me from a keyword, from an existing content, from just an idea, or from other people's videos. It takes a couple of minutes to write a book. It's called Bookmaster, and I'll drop the link in the description. Go check it out. I think at the moment the price is $9. It may rise anytime. But with this $9 or whatever the price is, you will be able to write unlimited number of valuable books that will sell itself or sell other stuff from inside the book. All I do is simply make books and give away for free. And I told you the books are written in a way that it sells something from inside the content, and people love to buy. And that's just one of the ways I do it. You can give away templates, you can give away anything that you have that your audience don't have. Heck, you can give away a checklist. You can learn everything or generate everything using AI. Another thing we give away for free is news. People love news. Deep in the subconscious level, everyone visits social media sites to get update of what's happening in the world. That's called news. If you don't know how to generate news or how to build a news website that will attract viewers, visitors, generate hops, clicks, and eventually sales, then check the link below this video and go to this website. This is my software. It will create done-for-you news websites without designing, coding, or creating content. It's an AI-powered app. AI will do all the job for you. AI will generate news content on complete autopilot. Keep your site updated, keep your audience engaged, and in your content, every time you make a content, you can promote the news that AI published on your website. And when people visit your website, they click on your affiliate links, they buy from you. And with this website, you can even make money in other ways like AdSense or charging advertising fees from others. Sky's the limit. Check the link in the description and feel free to get access by clicking any of these buttons. Now here is a completely different niche. And if you have Bookmaster AI agent, then this advice will make you money.
So one of the top selling products in the last year is something called the Shadow Work Journal. Have you heard of this?
No, but that's a great name. Shadow Work.
So you get if you go look on Amazon or TikTok Shop.
I've seen this. I have seen this. Yes.
So the Amazon listing for this currently has over
5,297 4.6 rating. Now, you must be thinking, why should people read my book, whatever AI writes? Here's the reason. They looked up for the author.
Very aspirational.
She's different than me.
Very aspirational.
but that's not, nobody could see that when they're buying when they're just watching a TikTok. Because it wasn't like, it didn't look like a commercial for the book. It was just somebody saying how this line in this book really spoke to them, or how this book changed the way they view things. Like there's a whole hook on TikTok that's very famous where they say, it starts with somebody saying, do you have any book recommendations? And then they zoom the camera in really close to their nose and their eyes. They go, I have books that will change the way you even look at the world. I have books that.
So that's how TikToks are made about books, and how you can do it too, whether you promote your book or just give away or sell other people's books as an affiliate. It's not about who you are, it's about what's inside in the book as a content for your readers. And your TikTok viewers are going to be the readers. So here's the summary. Use AI and create book or news or something that people love to get engaged with. Then give away for free. And when you give away, make an opt-in page and ask for your viewers' email. Deliver the giveaway to their email inbox. Now their email is in your automatic email system. Now you keep sending email to them every day, give away more stuff, build bond, rapport, relationship, and eventually promote some of the stuff that they love to buy and you love to promote. Remember the guarantee I told you about? These are the commission stats of thousands of affiliates across 4 different accounts. You will get the complete details of all these 4 accounts in this video, so don't forget to watch this video. Let me show you quickly. You see this little green column called RPH. It's called revenue per hop, which is also the average income we earn for sending each visitor or clicks or traffic to an affiliate offer. Now, we are not earning for sending a click on the affiliate link, but when we send 10, 20, 30, 40, 1,000, 2,000, 300,000, 8 million clicks, then from the results we get, we make an average of this kind of money per visitor. So from my all these years of experience and after making 8 figures in sales revenue, having thousands of affiliates promoting my products and me promoting other people's products, this is what I have learned, that if I keep sending traffic to the affiliate offers, I will keep making this type of money per visitor. So if I want to make $75 from this account, I will simply send 100 visitors. If I want to make $750, I will send 1,000 visitors. And look at the similarities in these results. You see this column? From this offer, I made $7.34 from every visitor on the average. From this promotion, I made $1.38. Another promotion, 55 cents. Another promotion, 50 cents. So on the average, in 1 month, I made 72 cents per visitor. So if I keep sending visitors, on the average, I will make 72 cents per visitor. If I want to make $7,000, I will simply send 10,000 visitors to this offer. And these results are repeating for ages, over hundreds of promotions, looking at the results of thousands of affiliates. And of course, it includes my results as well. This is the guarantee that affiliate marketing works. How can you do it easily? Maybe without even showing face? Watch this video. Link is in the description. You will learn everything. Remember, the only thing you need in order to make money is to generate clicks. When you generate clicks, some people will buy and you will earn affiliate commission. That's exactly what we did and what we do. But as a part of our program member, these students get a little more high ticket affiliate commissions. If you want to know more about this, check the link in the description for free training. Please subscribe to my channel and switch on the notification bell button if you want to get notified when we upload our next video. Like this video, share with your friends and family. I can guarantee you they will love you for that. To learn more about making money online, affiliate marketing, generating free traffic, watch these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.